we'll continue chapter 6, lines and angles. Today we are going to solve two of the theorems, theorem 6.2 and 6.3. And this theorem will help you to solve exercise 6.2. Today we are going to prove theorem 6.2. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, so AB and CD are the two parallel lines, okay, and P is the transversal line, intersect at 2 points Q and R. Then each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. So you have to prove that these interior angles are equal, that you have to show. So to make it a little bit simple, I'll name it as angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So what is given that you write? AB, so line AB parallel to line CD. P, line P intersect at point Q and R, that is given here. Okay, in this figure you can see AB and CD are parallel. So here we have to prove that alternate interior angles are equal, that is angle 3 is equal to angle 6 and angle 4 is equal to angle 5. Okay, so let us prove it. Then here you see AB is parallel to CD, that is already given, and P is the transversal. So we know that if two lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal. So we can take angle 2 is equal to angle 6. They are corresponding angles. So you write here angle 2 is equal to angle 6, since corresponding angles. Okay. Then angle 2 is equal to angle 3. They are what? They are vertically opposite angles. So you can write here angle 2 is equal to angle 3, since vertically opposite angles. Correct? So you can write here equation 1 and here equation 2. So what you'll get from equation 1 and 2? We get, see here, angle 2 are given in both the equation. So if angle 2 is equal to angle 6, angle 2 is also equal to angle 3. Correct? So both the angle 2 can be cancelled. So what is left? Angle 3 is equal to angle 6. Okay. So we already proved. Similarly, we can also show you that angle 4 is equal to angle 5. Okay. Therefore, alternate interior angles are equal. Let's see theorem 6.3. If a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angle is equal, then the two lines are parallel. Here AB and CD are the two lines that is given to you, and P is the transversal. Okay, so here it is given that alternate angles are equal, interior angles. Okay, so angle 3 is equal to angle 6, angle 4 is equal to angle 5, that is given to you, and you have to show, or you have to prove AB is parallel to CD. So first you write what is given, that you write line AB and CD are intersected by line P at 2 points Q and R. That is given to you. As well as interior angles are equal, that is also given. Angle 3 is equal to angle 6 and angle 4 is equal to angle 5. These two alternate interior angles are given. They are asking to prove that line AB parallel to CD. So we will prove that how AB is parallel to CD. They are the alternate interior angles. Then we can also write that angle 3 is equal to angle 2. Take it as equation 2. Correct? So whatever angle they are vertically opposite angle. Okay? So we got two equations here. In equation 1, angle 3 is equal to angle 6. In equation 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 2. Okay? So from both the equation, what we'll get? Equation 1 and 2. So 3 we can cancel. What is left? Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. So what are angle 2 and angle 6? They are corresponding angles. Previous classes we have learned corresponding angles are equal, then we can tell that AB is parallel to CD. Got it, na? So since angle 2 and angle 6 are equal, so we can write here, since corresponding angles are equal. Correct? Therefore, we can write here that line AB parallel to line CD. Proved.